Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change the control center layout on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the control center. Of course, you just have to scroll it down at this home screen. And now this is the control center that I mean. If you want to change the layout, you just have to tap on this icon, on this pen icon, tap on it. And as you can see here at the first part, there are a feature that we have on the control center, guys. So if you want to change the layout, you just have to choose the features that you want to add to the control center. For example, here, if you want to change or add another features, you just have to scroll it down again, and this is the feature that we haven't added to the control center. And I'm gonna use this data saver. I'm gonna add it to the control center. Now tap and press it, and after drag to the top like this. And yeah, for the data saver here is successfully added to the control center. And if you want to change the position here, you just have to do the same things, like tap and press for a second, and now drag it to the position that you want. For example, like this. And you can also remove another feature here from the control center, yeah guys. For example, for do not disturb it, I'm gonna remove it from my control center. I'm gonna drag it to the below, and yeah, as you can see, the do not disturb is already removed to this part, which is no do not disturb features again on the control center. And after, if you want to save it, you just have to go back, yeah guys. So here you can also see the reset option. It will reset to the default layout, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.